Service in Nashville has issued a tornado warning for Central Davidson County in Middle Tennessee, East Central Dixon County in Middle Tennessee, Central Teton County in Middle Tennessee, South Central Robertson County in Middle Tennessee, until 4:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:09 p.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado is located near White Bluff, or 8 miles southwest of Ashland City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, damaging tornado. Source, radar confirmed tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near Ashland City around 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Jolton around 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Demon Park, White Creek, and Bell's Bend. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 201 and 211. Interstate 65 between mile markers 85 and 97. Interstate 24